Hi and welcome to the boutique villa KASEKE. This cabin has won many architecture and design awards, and I think you'll agree with me that it just looks amazing. I'm gonna show you the exterior with one of the highlights later, but first let's head inside. The cabin comes with a minibar and coffee machine and a beautiful bedroom with a fireplace. We come back to this view in a bit, but first continue with the simple but stylish bed, and then head over to the beautiful bathroom, which comes with views to the outside as well. Now that the sun is shining, the bedroom looks even more stunning and is definitely one of the highlights. From outside we get a better view of the many birch trees that surround the cabin, and then we come back to this lovely outdoor seating area on a stylish wooden deck. And now it's time for the last highlight, the wonderful rooftop terrace. Let's walk up the steps and enjoy the view to the surrounding wetlands. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.